War is never born in a single moment. It grows in silence, in fear, in the shadows of decisions made far from the front lines, but its impact is felt by everyone. So today we are going to witness one moment of glimpse where the war is going on between Ukraine and Russia. So in this video you can see a dramatic moment. Ukraine's Khyzhak Brigade and infantry police unit shut down Russian drones with assault rifles. Brave Ukraine soldiers scrambled to cover before expertly shooting down multiple Russian attack drones. The Khyzhak Brigade operates on the eastern front, focusing on the front line in the city of Toretsk. They noticed some of the drones above the house and started continuously firing. One drone was clearly visible to the soldier and he was firing regularly, and finally he shut down the drone with his assault rifle. They are celebrating now and continuously shooting as well. So this is the war is going on between Russia and
Есть!
Молодці!
Да, над нами! Є. Пошла на пике. Падає. Є. Есть!
Пише, все нормально.
Фу!
Чітко, ну.
Один выстрел.
А летіло...
Во вынесено постановление.
Вилетіло... Летіло отак.